Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Typically I don't do videos on Fridays, we all know this. The only videos I do on Fridays are either one, a special food review, or two, Friday Night SmackDown news. Well, most likely tonight you might see both, and that's what's going to happen. So the first thing is I'm gonna be making a food review of Lay's Honey Barbecue Chips. The bag looks nice. I've heard from a lot of people that they actually like Lay's Honey Barbecue flavored chips. I heard from a lot of people these chips are addicting. These are the newest chips from Lay's. So let's try them. Not bad. The honey barbecue flavored chips are actually really good. It's not bad of a chip. I really like it. I really like it. It's a really good chip. I love it. The one thing I can credit Lay's to is they really do pretty good with their barbecue chips. Lay's barbecue chips are good. I had Lay's spicy barbecue chips, which they were not a new flavors, so I didn't review them, but they were really good. Me opening a Coke. Overall, I like Lay's honey barbecue flavored chips. I really recommend them. I think they're good, and a lot of other people think they're good. They are pretty addictive. I'm not going to try to get addicted to them, but if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace, period.